Rashid was an ordinary young man with extraordinary dreams. Every night after, finishing his long shift, when the city was sleeping, he would sit alone and think about his future. He was tired, sometimes frustrated, and often doubted himself. But deep inside, he believed that one day his hard work would change his life. He had no big support, no rich background, only discipline and determination. One day, after a very difficult week, Rashid almost gave up. His body was exhausted, and his mind was full of negative thoughts. Maybe this life will never change, he whispered to himself. But instead of quitting, he made one small decision. He would improve just 1% every single day. He started waking up earlier, reading 10 pages daily, exercising for 20 minutes, and learning new skills online. At first, nothing looked different. The results were invisible. Months passed, and people around him laughed at his routine. They said, "Why are you working so hard? Enjoy life." But Rashid understood something powerful. Short-term comfort creates long-term regret, and short-term sacrifice creates long-term success. He chose sacrifice. After 1 year, everything changed. His confidence grew. His body became stronger. His knowledge increased. Opportunities started appearing. The same people who once doubted him began asking for advice. Rashid realized that success is not luck. It is the result of daily discipline repeated again and again. The biggest lesson Rashid learned was simple. You don't need perfect conditions to start. You only need courage to continue. If you refuse to quit, life will eventually reward you. Remember, your current situation is not your final destination. Stay consistent, stay patient, and one day your story will inspire others too.